Let's start. The project name is the bottom navigation. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, and two fragments, fragment 1 and fragment 2. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Fragment_1.xml file, which is the layout of fragment 1. And fragment_2.xml file, which is the layout of fragment 2. And in the menu folder, we have a bottom navigation menu.xml file. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a bottom navigation view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. Inside the root layout, we again have a constraint layout which will be used just fill the app space and keep the bottom navigation at the bottom of the screen. Below this, we have bottom navigation view. The menu is populated from the bottom navigation menu.xml file. In fragment_1.xml file, we simply have the toolbar and text view. Similarly, in fragment_2.xml file, we have a toolbar and a text view. In the bottom navigation menu.xml file, we have written these menu items. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. In the onCreate function, we have called the showFirstFragment method. This method loads fragment 1. Here we have set the onNavigation item elected listener of the bottom navigation. When a menu item is clicked, we load the respective fragment. In the showFirstFragment method, this is how we load the first fragment. This is fragment 1. And this is fragment 2. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the bottom navigation in Java Android. Thanks for watching.